Hey, what's up boss babes and fellas, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you all an update on the Tree of Life Beauty 3-pack serums. It's about 3 months later and a lot of you all have been asking about an update and asking many questions. 2.5 months in, I definitely ran out of the vitamin C and the hyaluronic acid. And the reason why they're upside down is because I've been waiting to do this review before I use the last little bit in it so y'all can see how it looks on my face even 3 months later. I still love them, highly recommend them. I think the vitamin C and hyaluronic combination is beautiful. Now, I can't speak too much on the retinol. In my opinion, I don't really think I've seen a difference. I feel like that one is more of a long-term, over time, decreasing wrinkles under your eyes and fine lines. So I won't speak too much on that one other than I still use it twice a week at night, but that's about it. However, for the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, that's my top, that's my fave. I love the glow that it gives as well as decreasing darker marks on your face and things like that. Originally, when I first started, for the first 2 weeks, I was doing vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in the morning, 7 days a week. And then I was doing the retinol followed by the hyaluronic acid 3 times a week. After about 2 months, I did decrease my vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in the morning till about 3 to 4 days because I wanted to try one more brand before I repurchase another Tree of Life beauty pack. I've been hearing a lot about this True Life vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. That brand actually shows the percentage of the vitamin C and a hyaluronic acid of what they put in the serum. Tree of Life only showed how much of the hyaluronic acid they put in their serum, which was 72% organic as well. But I couldn't find how much of the vitamin C they had. So I figured because this was my first purchase of a vitamin C and a hyaluronic acid, let me try one more brand that I've heard a lot about to see if there's any big difference, whether it's hyperpigmentation, whether it's the glow on my skin, whether it, I don't know, just any little possible thing. And this brand costs a little bit more than the Tree of Life. So I'm going to purchase it and see if there is any difference to know if this one was great for the price point, but this one is even better even if it costs a little bit more, or does it cost a little bit more because of the brand? You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited to try that brand because you all seen the process in real time and how my face had a nice glow to it, had like that little dewy look, as well as lightening dark marks. Now, it didn't get rid of the dark marks, so I am going to find another process to do that because I have a couple marks on my skin. I cleaned my face with Cetaphil and I'm going to apply the last drops of the vitamin C and the hyaluronic acid for you all to see it again in real time of how my face looks before and then afterwards. Let me know what you all think again, and thank you so much for all the love on the videos, all the people who bought it and has said it's made a big difference. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated for more. And if you are, hi, what's good, what's poppin'? Thanks for all the love. I will be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway and I want you to be a part of that so you do not miss out on the gift cards that I have for you. Maybe if you want to buy some vitamin C serums, okay, I don't know, whatever you want to get. But if you are subscribed to my channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on that subscriber giveaway. Okay, so let's just go ahead and put this on. Again, to start with the vitamin C first. A subscriber of mine gave a great tip. He said don't put the drops on your face with the dropper because you're putting the dropper back into your bottle, something I didn't know. I know it seems like common sense because there's bacteria. I'm going to put it in my hand, rub it, and then kind of pat it. It still has that beautiful cooling effect. I haven't used it in about 2 weeks just so you all could see it work like it did if I haven't used it at all, if that makes any sense. Oh my goodness, have you guys used the jade roller with it? It's such a massage. Like, I love using the jade roller when I do my morning serums just because it massages my face and I feel like it just kind of puts it in my skin a little bit more. You already can see the glow, the moisturized glow. And then we're going to follow up with the hyaluronic acid. I'm going to do the same thing and drop it in my hand, but I kind of have to because there's not much in the bottle, so. Okay, you see the afterglow? My face feels tight, it feels nice, and to see the vibrance that it gives. Even though I have personal areas to work with, which are like more so in my hormone areas, I'm not stressed about that. That's more so on cleaning my skin, what I put in my body, but the vitamin C definitely helps to get rid of your acne, lightening dark marks. Overall, on the scale of 1 to 10, I definitely give these products a 10. And for the retinol, it's about right here. I use this twice a week, 2 drops underneath my eyes, and that's about it. I don't really use it as much. It's recommended to use 3 times a week. I only use it twice. I still have more than half the bottle left. So if you haven't bought this product, definitely read the comments of what other people have said about it. Here's the updated version of what I said. If you haven't seen my 7-day process, definitely check the link out above. Just to bring up some questions that were asked in my comment section, a young woman asked about when does she put her sunscreen on. You definitely will put your sunscreen on. PSA, I am not a dermatologist or an esthetician. This is just from my personal experience. You would definitely clean your face, use your serum, put it on your moisturizer, followed by your sunscreen, or unless your moisturizer has sunscreen in it. So that would be my advice for that. If you all have any more questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. I'm here to reply and do the research with you because we're all growing and glowing together. Thank you all so much for the love. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate you letting me know how it's working for you and keeping me posted, and also adding some tips and things that I didn't even know. I appreciate that. Thank you for your support. Again, stay tuned for the 500 subscriber giveaway.